introduce you to my team. I'm what they call the captain. This is Antonio here.
Oh, yeah.
This is Aparita. And this is Tippy. This is the team, and we're looking for intermolecular fossils in the middle of nowhere.
So today we found a dried up pond, and in that pond we started digging and digging and digging. We once found a hydrogen cyanide. Come look.
Look at this. It's the dry pond of the hydrogen cyanide. It used to be a fish.
It's a linear mortal. They like to travel by themselves.
As you can see, there's only one. Our first molecular shape is linear. Common compound for it is CO2. It has a 180-degree angle. Its hybridization is sp, which means it has two upspins.
Toasted. Meow.
Justin, stop. Come on. All right, you guys, not too far from the pond. Anthony was picking away, not his nose, but the floor, and this is what he found.
Okay.
Explain it to me.
So what we got here, we got some trigonoplanar birds right here, okay? As you can see, these were two trigonal birds. They loved each other. As you can tell, they're very close to each other. This one looks like it died first, as you see. And then from its sadness of this one, it died as well.
Okay, so we're talking about trigonoplanar, and one of them is bent, and it has two bonds and one lone pair, and it has a 120-degree angle. An example is SO2. And this is trigonoplanar. It's BF3 and has three bonds and a 120-degree angle. Its hybridization is SP2 and it has three upspins.
We got hungry, so we decided to go on a fishing trip.
Yeah, we're gonna catch us some fish. I'm a vegetarian.
Guys, I found something.
You found
I'm really
You found something?
I'm really good.
You found something?
I found a fish.
Woo! Fish for hunger.
It looks like a tetrahedral.
Boom, boom.
We found one of them. We're gonna get some good eating tonight.
Holla!
Our next molecular shape is tetrahedral. Our first one is trigonal pyramidal. It has three bonds and one lone pair. An example for that is H3O+. Our next one is the original tetrahedral. It has four bonds, and it has an example for that is CH4. Our last one is bent, and it has two bonds and two lone pairs. An example for that for H2O. All of them have 109.5-degree angles. Its hybridization is sp3, which means it has four upspins.
Tiwa, what have we found here?
We made a new discovery on the wall over there.
Let's see what it says.
It looks like the trigonobipyramidal clan drew it.
They draw it? Trigonal bipyramidal clan? Oh my gosh! What a good discovery, guys! Good work!
We're good.
Our next molecular shape is the trigonal bipyramidal, and there's three different types. The first one is called trigonal bipyramidal, and there's five bonds. It has 90 and 120-degree angles, and an example is PF5. The next one is a seesaw. It has four bonds, one lone pair, and an example is SF3. The last one is T-shaped, and there's three bonds, two lone pairs, and the example is CLF3. Its hybridization is FP3D, and it has five upspins.
Our last mission is to find the treasure of the octahedrals.
It's the X marks the spot. Whoa! It's a boulder!
Good turn!
I think the boulder's gone. Guys! What is that?
I think it's an X.
It's an X! Dig it up! Give me your axe.
Why is there a random X here? Pickaxe. What do you think it is?
What
corona.
What is this? Let's check it out.
What is it? What is it?
It's a map.
It looks like the octahedral.
The octahedral family, obviously running away from the trigonal bipyramidal clan. Look at that. That's amazing, guys. That's amazing.
Our next molecular shape is octahedral. There's 3 different types. The first one is called octahedral. It has 6 bonds, 90-degree angle, and an example is SF6. The second one is called square pyramidal. There's 5 bonds, 1 lone pair, and an example is SBCl5, 2 negative. The third one and last one is called square planar. There are 4 bonds, 2 lone pairs, and an example is ICl4 negative. Its hybridization is sp3d2, and there are 6.
Thank you for joining us on our adventure. And don't forget, I'm Captain. Over here is Antonio, Pittsburgh, and